Hi everyone, this is Alex. I'm going to show you how to go to safe mode when you're stuck in this troubleshoot mode. So I believe you tried everything, system restore, none of them working. So now, go to command prompt and you can type a command line. I will type this command line in the description. So this is the command. Of course, you have to type every single letter. Successful. So close it. Click on continue instead of turn off. All right. Continue. Actually, I'm using the virtual machine, the virtual box. Maybe exactly the same with your real computer. I mean the procedure. So it's loading into the windows now instead of stuck in there. And you will find it's in the safe mode now. All right. So now is a very good opportunity to back up your documents, your photos, any important data for yourself. You can simply copy them to the NAS drive. That's what I'm typing, the IP address of my NAS drive. So if this procedure doesn't work with your crash Windows, you can try another way. I believe some guys already tried the autoruns before, so it can be very, very helpful. The autorun, this is from Microsoft. I mean, it's another company create this program, this software, and Microsoft, they recommend it as well. So you can download it from another computer or your friend's computer and copy it to the pen drive. Actually, I only copied it to my C drive for this demonstration. Don't use the 64-bit one. That is for Nano server only. You might find some problem if you're using the 64 one. So when you try to get the autoruns, make sure you go to Microsoft website to download it. When you are searching, I believe you experienced before, you might download from some website and some program contains virus. So now let's try how to use the autorun. So in the troubleshoot again, and the ones, command prompt. So autorun the first time, once you load it in the command prompts, the command line, don't amend the entry first, because if you load the troubleshoot system instead of the original system, I'm going to show you command prompt. So find where's your flash drive, your USB drive located. Try the drive C to drive D, drive E, until you found it. My one, is already copied to the D drive. Okay, so I type autoruns with S, press on agree. We have no choice. So agree, and you can say it's loading. So don't use this entry because the real system is offline. Analyze offline system. Okay. This PC, and find out your Windows entry. I mean your Windows folder. And for the user profile, load the user file you're using every day. So drive D again. Yours can be drive C or drive E. It depends on the partition. So go to the user folder, right? And go to the my user called user. Yours might be Michael or any name. Yeah. Now you can see it's loading lots of entry. So plenty entries compared with the troubleshoot system. Here you have to give it for a minute or a few minutes, depend on your system performance. Then you can use a filter to search the clue you got. The reason I'm typing SS because last time my system crashed. It caused by the SS program, and it did help me to work out and my system back to normal, which is the Windows time I'm using now. Okay, but beware here. The entry, some entry you can't take it off. You have to do some research online which entry is helpful, and some entry if you take it off it might causing more. Do some research before you take off any entry, and think about the clue you got when the computer crashed. So I hope you can make your Windows working again. This is a not easy job. Okay, now I'm going to show you another command line can help you when your system not boot after clone the system to another disk, especially solid state drive. So this one called bcdedit. You can see the full command line here, bcdedit. Then you can type the drive letter, which is you believe this your new Windows should start from this drive. Okay, that's it. It might be the C or E. Yeah, you might have two partition, contain Windows directory. So when you upgrade from traditional ATA mechanical hard drive to the solid state drive, you cloned your existing system and the system never boot up again. So use the bcdedit command line and amend the boot partition. Then you can make your Windows working again. Yeah. Of course, my system it was working. This is only for for the demonstration, troubleshooting. So I hope my video can help you. If it's still not working, you can check my other videos. In my last 20-year experience on computer troubleshooting, I fixed thousands of computers. But every single job, it can be very hard. So your data first. Don't forget your data. Yeah. So back up your photos, your documents, any single data important for you first. Then do the troubleshooting. So I hope you can fix your computer quickly and be very calm, look after your data first. If you like my video, you can subscribe, then you can find me easily next time. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.